Most people avoid discomfort, fear failure, and wait for the perfect moment. But the truth? The people who become truly unstoppable aren't fearless. They're just more honest with themselves. Here are 10 harsh truths that once you accept them, will change your life forever. 1. No one is coming to save you. Harsh? Maybe, but freeing. Once you stop waiting for permission, a hero, or perfect timing, you take control. The moment you own your life is the moment your life begins. 2. Motivation is unreliable. If you wait to feel inspired, you'll never get anything done. Discipline matters more than motivation. Build systems, not moods. 3. You are not too late. Age, background, past failures, none of it disqualifies you. There's no rule that says success has a deadline. Stop comparing your timeline to someone else's highlight reel. 4. Most people don't care, yet that's a good thing. Everyone's too busy worrying about themselves to think about your failure. Use that freedom to try, fail, and grow without shame. 5. You don't need to feel ready to start. Confidence comes after action, not before it. Most people wait to feel ready, and that's why they stay stuck. Start scared. Start small. Just start. 6. Your comfort zone is a cage. Growth never happens in easy places. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Everything you want is on the other side of discomfort. 7. Success is boring behind the scenes. Repetition, early mornings, late nights. It's not glamorous, but that's what separates dreamers from doers. You master the game when you fall in love with the boring stuff. 8. Failure isn't the opposite of success, it's the path. Every failure is a feedback loop. Every mistake moves you forward if you let it teach you. Fail forward, fail fast, and don't take it personally. 9. No one owes you anything. Entitlement is the enemy of growth. Life isn't fair, but it is full of opportunity if you go out and earn it. Focus on responsibility, not resentment. 10. Action is the only antidote to fear. Fear doesn't go away by thinking. It goes away by doing. Momentum is louder than self-doubt. Take the first step, even if your hands shake. These truths aren't always easy to hear, but if you face them, own them, and live them, you become unstoppable. Not because life gets easier, but because you get stronger. Subscribe for more no-fluff motivation. And remember, growth is earned, not given.